Hey guys, Connor here again at Earth Motor Cars. Today we're showcasing our 1978 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am. Now this guy is not stock. Let me show you what's underneath the hood of this guy. So 495 horse LS3, a little bit of a cam in it. As you can see, we got the custom intake on here with the dual tubes, and this old school TA is actually functional in here. I'll show you guys that here in a second. We've actually cut it out here so it actually works. But LS3 motor on there, like I said, 495 horse crate motor on there. We did do a Holley blackout serpentine kit, so everything's been blacked out on this guy. We also did do a Vintage Air Gen 5 AC system on here, so you got ice cold air. Works great. Badass car. This would be a car that I would daily drive every single day. 4-core aluminum radiator, LS, 4L60, 4-speed overdrive transmission. We do have disc brakes in the front. Oh, go ahead. We didn't do anything crazy with the interior on this. It's still pretty factory fresh in here, as I would call it. I mean, new seats, new carpet, new dash, stuff like that. Nothing leather or anything like that I would say crazy. Inside too, we do have Bluetooth radio, and we did do speakers in the front and 6x9s in the back, but it's still got that retro sound Bluetooth radio look-alike, so looks good. Go ahead and pop the trunk here. Factory stuff in the trunk in here. You got your factory jack. We got the factory radio tucked in over there. We always try to keep the factory stuff in here. I don't like to throw stuff away, especially stuff that's 50 years old, that's original with the car. And then coming around the side here again, beautiful car. Look at this red color, guys. A lot of Trans Am you see black, gold, everything like that, which is cool. You don't ever see the red ones. This thing's like a Hot Wheels car. And then here's your interior again. It's fresh in here, man. Really, really clean. Engine management wise, we are running a Holley Terminator X system in here too. That controls everything on this car. We've had no problems with it. I personally drove this car home before for a weekend, put about 300 miles on it. I've had no problems with it. But let's go take it for a drive and I'll prove to you how well it does. So LS3, like I said, Holley Terminator X system in here. So how we usually do those is you got the screen that you can pull out. You can go in and kind of modify everything that you need to see on there. Everything works on the gauges in here though just fine. So I just we tuck these guys away, usually up underneath the dash, in the ashtray, whatever. That's nice because if you need to mess with anything, you can. Well, let's go for a drive. LS3 4L60 in here. So you got, I mean, you could do 80 miles an hour in this thing all day long, cruising 2,000 RPM. It's the way to do it. The nice things about these Trans Ams is these things were pretty much geared for factory use, or highway use, I'm sorry, out of the factory. So if I remember right, the stick shift cars have like a 323 or a 331 gearing in it, and the automatic cars, the factory automatic cars, were like a 273 in the rear end. So even like, I'm talking Pontiac 400 and 3-speed transmission, you could still do 70 miles an hour in these cars all day long. They were really, really great cruiser cars. All right, as you guys can see too, I walked you through, so we did actually cut out the scoop in there. So you got the 2 intake tubes that go all the way back like this and then loop around. So if you actually stick the camera out there, you can kind of hear like a whistling effect, because it really is sucking the cold air in out of there and not just the hot air in the engine bay. Pretty cool little thing like that. Again, Bluetooth radio, AC car, Vintage Air in this guy. Everything works great. Few little minor touches we always try to do. Like a pet peeve for me is like this dash is like brand new. I don't know how well it's gonna come up on camera, stuff like that. The cigarette lighter, brand new, not a chip on that. Half the time you get it and these things are missing on there. Like the little shifter cover on here. All the interior stuff, we really try to like make it nice, but we didn't try to go overboard with like new interior, new leather, everything like that. I was saying earlier, this car still has the factory gearing in the back of it, so it's got a tall gear in it, so you can really daily drive this thing anywhere you want. And that LS, you just roll into the power on it. The nice thing about the Trans Ams is they're still leaf spring cars, and this thing just rides like so good on there. It's a little bit longer wheelbase, more of like a second gen Camaro is basically what these things are based off of, but they ride really, really good, man. I've always told everybody they're cruiser cars, and they really are. All right, guys. Well, that's gonna do it for this 78 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am LS3. Come in, take it for a spin. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you guys in the next video.